taking a big math test and you get a question like this.
So the question here says, which of the following statements is the best interpretation of the number 331.4 in the context? So they're asking us to interpret. The equation that they're referring to is the following: s of t equals 0.6 t plus that 331.4 that they're asking us to interpret. The very beginning says in air, the speed of sound s, so that speed of sound in meters per second is a linear function of the air temperature T. So this right here, these T's represent air temperature. But if we look at the answer choices, we can either rule things out or immediately tell if they're correct. I'm just going to start with choice A because that's what I normally do. So choice A says the speed of sound in meters per second at 0 degrees Celsius. How would I test to see if that answer is correct? I would notice that they give us a number, 0 degrees Celsius. Is 0 degrees Celsius the speed of sound or the air temperature? It's the temperature, right? Because speed is not measured in degrees, temperature is. So if I want to test this answer A, I'm going to plug in 0 for T, which means I get S of 0 equals 0.6 times 0 plus 331.4. And if I multiply this out, multiplying by 0 makes this whole thing go away, which means I get this. Now the goal here is to read this not just as an equation, but also like a sentence, right? Answer choices are sentences. We need to interpret this like one. So this here says the speed of sound, S. Then this little 0 here means at a temperature, because there was a T here before, now there's a 0. At a temperature of 0 equals this. If I look at choice A, it says the speed of sound, S, in meters per second at 0 degrees Celsius, ding, 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 equals this number. A is correct. It's simply a matter of interpreting that.
For more practice problems and tips, follow us at enlightentutoring.com.